Welcome back, everybody. Me and Brandy are out here in the garage.
Cut Here Garage Detailing.
The Cut Here Garage Detailing garage. The little garage. The one that's been all redone. Still ain't in the pole barn. Weather keeps making our lives difficult with getting cement trucks and stuff in here. There's a whole bunch of water in the backyard. It's rained and rained and rained and rained for a week. But Brandy decided we needed to work on the race car today and work on this wrap. Something she's been wanting to play with and get good at to start doing with the detailing side of things. We'd hoped our schedule had been a little better. We could have just done a reveal with the car done. That's not the case, unfortunately. So you guys are gonna see what the wrap and stuff's gonna look like. Hey, hold the camera right. And we're gonna get started on this, but this is what the wrap is gonna look like to start with. I'm very patriotic, love the American flag and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna try something with the camera. You have to let us know if you like it. I'm gonna put this camera on my forehead while we do this to see if it works well for you guys to see what's going on, what we're doing, my point of view, and see how it goes here. So we're gonna get ready to get started here, and we'll get started. We have to bring it up or split it at that seam. Well, either do that or shift it back and
If they do it right here, we can turn it off.
that ain't saying we can't, you know, I'm afraid. It ain't gonna throw it off too bad because the tires are crooked. So, if we match this up and, you know, brought that up, I don't think you'd notice that it's not, you know, it's doing this, but I like this. I think we're fine here.
turn it on right now.
Yeah, I turned it on to start.
Did you do an intro?
No. Get ready to.
So do we spray window cleaner on this like we do a regular?
Well, this thing, if it's good material, you just pull it as long as you don't get aggressive. But the thing, no matter what we're doing, it's gonna get cut here eventually, so I know that should help take some of this wrinkle out because it's, yeah, we're learning.
It's not shaped like a car.
Yeah, I mean, and it's really like doing it perfectly, I don't think. But I guess we'll have it cut here so shit gets real. We'll know to just cut it on here. Actually, the guy I got the card from is actually when I went home. So everybody not make opening night is there any need to be a little helpful. And said, time, you got time? You got a dry pocket to put the 3-foot water that's laying around in the pocket?
Does he know you were doing it?
What? Yeah, he's pretty cool dude. He got to practice the street stuff. The dirt cart. He did it one time.
Well, the water really isn't our issue.
Well, that's holding up getting this over there.
Yeah.
You know, this over there, this we, you know, camera's been out, we had some room. I mean, not that this is terrible. It's been terrible the way the garage used to be.
Okay, so you're sure this is how you want it?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay. I'm a trendsetter. Ay, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trendsetter. Okay, let go. Ay, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look, they keep calling me, could you ride this beat? Look proudly. Okay, it ain't no problem. See, I can mold this thing like pottery. Better, I'ma bet on myself. And before the top, and I don't need your help. We set the tempo, we run this thing as simple. Let's go. Boy, I'm locked in. Know your place, I'm top 10. And all my haters watching, so you know I keep on clocking. It's go time. My whole style of go mine. Take my place, I hold mine. Run up, then it's go time. It's show time. Whoa. Yeah, they know I'm the one that set the trends, dog. Tell them tenfold, I'm gon' change the tempo. Okay, tell them I can't play it safe. Got more wins on the way. Gotta show them how to do it. Man, my team making plays. Okay, your team better play off. Sleeping on me, wake up. Too easy just to lay off. Okay, tell me who you know can do it better. I know, they know, we know I'm a trendsetter. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Trying to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter. I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look, told them I would elevate, now watch me go up. Critics acting up confused, they slow up. Okay, mama said I'd make it, and I know that she ain't never lie. Said they need a double, still they lost, cause they ain't hit my line. Whoa, it's my time on the dot, gotta shine, let them watch, cause we gaming for the top. This a bop, whoa. Hey, okay, I know I'm here to stay. Counting on my wins, so I can't play it safe. Players try to go against us, get you out the way. Go hard, it's the only way to play. Let me say, I'm a trendsetter, I'm a go-getter, I'm a trendsetter, I'm a go-getter, I'm a trendsetter. Who can do it better? I'm a go-getter, I'm a trendsetter. Hey, look. Hit it stirred. I can't play it safe.
Game is in trouble, I've been in my depth for the piece of the puzzle, I got it for real. Still keep me going, I wake up and hustle, you won't see me buckle, I've been in the field. Man of the town, you been in your fields, I'm adjusting this crown. Call me your majesty, either that or your tragedy, we shutting everything down. I've been hot like somebody put a candle on them. Off top, I don't really stand opponents, this mine, the moment is run out and start a bunch of pandemonium. More game, I got some, the skill is bar one, y'all done, the game in the coffin. Referee screen, rest in peace, and think twice if you next to me, it's West. This ain't no regular thing, I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean, this for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking, it's hard to be nice, I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right, I'm champion. It's our repetition, I'm stacking these trophies, I'm good with addition. I spit like a pastor, I give you the vision. Up early morning, enough of the sleeping. My life is a dream, but you wishing you lived it. Haters get livid, my pocket's Pacific, that's deep if you get it. So therapeutic, I sleep on the critics. Don't feel like competing, I'm hearing these crickets. Whoa, let me switch the flow, a new bounce. Coming to the den with a lion, I'm gon' pounce. Know I've been a king for a while, got a ring and a crown. That's the bling with the blow, what the team is about. Champions, you can tell by the ambience of this sound. Referee screen, rest in peace, and think twice if you never see me, just no doubt. This ain't no regular thing, I came for the ring, you know what I mean. If you talking, it's hard to be nice, I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right. This ain't no regular thing, I came for the ring, you know what I mean. I shoot my shot and it's clean, this for my city, yeah, this for my team. If you talking, it's hard to be nice, I play with all of my life. You see my name in the lights, better get right, I'm champion.
When it's on, we could always come back and trim that up however we, you know what I mean? I'm gonna shut up and let you do you, boo. So I'm gonna shut up and let you do you, boo. And for the record, this is the first time we've ever put a wrap like this on. I do think though, if you slit that right there, that's gonna help you.
What if it's uneven?
Well, it should want to overlap once you cut it. Because the rake of the bodies should make that want to come together.
Yeah, probably take it off.
That's what I'm saying, if you need it to work a little bit.
Seam. You know how to cut seams. Can you do that?
Here. You want me to cut this to relieve this so you can work it if need be?
The tires are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing the heat gun ain't gonna.
You want to tell him you made the graphics?
Quality Graphics in Oswego, Michigan. Matt and Christina. They also do our t-shirts, our hoodies. They do a lot for us. I've been doing Lenny's and Bobby's car for quite a while now. Cole's. Actually, Cole's first race car comes from Matt and Junior.
Didn't even have a squeegee, so I used the card on my wallet.
Anything's a tool if you use it right, baby. The shop does have us behind. Of course, I don't know if we made it known about what's going on with the barn, dear.
What?
Have we made it full on what's going on with the barn?
I don't know what you guys did this weekend.
Huh?
I don't know what you guys did this past weekend.
No, I mean, like, what's happening?
Oh, you have?
I said, have we?
Oh, I don't know.
I mean, everybody pretty much knows that needed to know, right?
On our personal Facebooks, I think.
Anyway, Bobby and Dana are moving here. We're building them a condo in the pole barn. More or less.
I'm gonna say get it right. It's
A tiny house and the pole barn. Just brings us all closer together. Easier to do this stuff, just in general. They're pretty much empty nesters now. Occasional grandkid.
gonna cringe when he sees my work.
It's your first time.
Can we fix that with the heat gun?
Maybe. If not, the number will cover some of it.
Oh yeah.
To an extent.
Not stand out.
I mean, to an extent. This isn't normal vinyl. It's not going to wrinkle as bad. But the heat gun may take some of it out. But in trying to get that done, we've been trying to make it where to get Bobby and Dana moved in up here. has really kind of put us behind schedule on the race car.
Scared.
Huh?
I'm scared.
Don't be. If you miss, it's just gonna lay down. I mean, it is what it is. It's just a race car. That's why you're practicing on this before you do a normal car. I think it's gonna just be a lot of fun with the heat gun there. I like it. Let's go look at the rendering. So what the rendering is, there's a graphics guy. I don't even know. The number's still in here, babe? The other side?
What?
The number's still in here with the other side?
Yeah.
So. It's gonna go back there. Roof number's already up there. The other door, half fender, is right there. I finished getting the dry sump system out so we can get it on converted to the wet sump. Again, help me get all this loose. Seats halfway mounted. I mean, we've made some progress. That could have went a lot worse.
Go. Put over.
Well, it helps you're not as impatient as getting it on as I am. Would you like me to cut down that next door seam, dear?
Sure.
I got this one here.
Right here. Right here.
I'm just knowing where that one's at. I didn't go past the rocker. You can break that one off if you have a new tip if you need.
Go ahead.
I'm done under there.
Oh, It's got my extension cord.
Alrighty, you want? Is the back half?
You can just cut this off for a little bit and I'll figure out how to plug it in somewhere else.
Yeah, it looks good.
Don't pull too much because it will tear there. Right there. Can you hold that, please? Thank you.
Yeah, it looks good. I like it. Do what?
Definitely gonna take some practice.
Rome wasn't built today. Couple weeks.
And learning how much stretching you can do on this.
Before this, we'd screw up numbers. And overall, this don't look bad. Once the heat gun gets after it, it's gonna look pretty good.
I need a knife, please.
Oh, it's time for the number now. I think we got it where I like it. The fun part is now getting it off this paper. Can we hold it? Here's what she looks like. Room for sponsors up there. Her logo. Got the exhaust flange all cleaned up. That looks pretty sweet. I'm pretty happy with that.
I like it.
Numbers got a nice rake back. So it looks like it's moving. Like how it stands out.
Hey. What are you doing?
Let us know what you think. Our first wrap.
What?
We'll have some more little videos of getting the roof number on the other side. The other logo's on. I'll get these fenders all put on. I'm gonna pull this door out another 2 inches and give the body a little bubble to it. And turned out pretty good. But that's the wrap for 2025 on the limited late. I'm very, very happy. My wife did a wonderful job. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing edited up. We're gonna see some more videos. I got some footage of, we'll have the shocks, springs going on, seat being mounted, some other stuff, hooking up some of the motor stuff. Hopefully too long it'll be ready to fire and get scaled. All that. Once again, thank you everybody for your support and all that kind of stuff. We love that you watch. And hopefully these things keep getting better and better, but our new race cars come along pretty well. Once again, thanks for watching everybody.